Except that storing this inside some shoulder will fix it. Alright. So that's been so helpful. That's been helping myself and on with me and Ross. That's the best but again and send it out furniture.
Yeah.
Automobile party.
Alright.
Let's go.
As you and Alvin can go out and check the sky. Alright, go after him. I can't have these people trying to sell our product when it isn't our product. I gotta do what I gotta do.
My robot is application. If anyone sees this, I'm wrong. I know